Hey everybody, it's Jim Sill with Deploy Learning, and today I want to talk to you about Screencastify. It's a great Chrome extension for you to be able to add to your Chrome browser so that you can record pretty much anything for your students to be able to watch, stop, rewind, and watch again. So let's go ahead and take a look at it from the Chrome Web Store. Just search Screencastify Chrome Web Store from the Google browser and click Add to Chrome. Once you've done that, you'll see that you have the Screencastify logo up in your Chrome browser bar. Click on it, and it'll walk you through the setup stages. So I'm just going to go ahead and walk through these buttons. You'll need to give the extension permission to access your device's camera and microphone, and then you also have to give it access with this new feature with the drawing and annotation tools. I just hit Next. You'll see up here in the corner that you'll have a few extra steps to click. And then when you're finally at that place, I just choose Educator, School, and that's it. When you come up here in the corner now and you click on that button, you just have your options. When I record, I prefer only to use the desktop recording. I try not to use browser tabs. I just sometimes find myself in the middle of recording wanting to show more than just that tab. So instead of stopping and starting over, I just use desktop for everything. You'll notice now with these new features that the 5-minute limit is there per video. I really can't imagine why you'd need any more than 5 minutes. You should keep all your student tutorials pretty short. And then the last thing is here, you can embed your webcam. This means that you'll have an image of yourself in the corner, which can be helpful for students to be able to connect you to the content that you're presenting. But in this case, I'm going to leave it off. You just go ahead and hit record. You'll be asked to approve the screen. It'll count down, and then you're ready to go. All you have to do is to start recording. Down here in the corner, you'll see some annotation tools. When I hover over it, you have the option of clicking on the focus mouse, which I think can be really helpful. Then you can also use click on it where your pointer will disappear while you're not moving it. And then this other piece here, so that when I click, the impact rings. So double clicking, that way people can see that you've done that. I love it. You just turn those off if you don't need them. And then this other feature here that just showed up recently is the pen tool. So I can actually write on top of the screen while recording. Really, really helpful. You, of course, can erase that if you feel inclined. But really helpful tools to be able to get us going. When you're done, just click Stop Sharing. You'll get onto this page where you'll be able to watch your video again. You can share that immediately to your Google Classroom. You can publish this to YouTube. You can even download it for free now, which is so great. And if you're doing just basic actions, you can just export it as a GIF. And so that way you can take that small file and embed it into a Google slideshow or something like that. So helpful. So many great new features in the free version of Screencastify. I hope that's helpful.